Again, welcome back to the another session. This is the fourth session of matrix. We are continuing. In your previous section, we are in a operation of matrices. I also explained the how to multiply a scalar to a matrix. Today, in this session, we'll continue the addition of addition and subtraction both of two matrices, two or more matrices. But before going to that, I have forgotten in our second session to explain about one of the type of matrix, that is a null matrix. You can add a null matrix, null or zero matrix also we say it, null or a zero matrix. This is omitted. So null matrix is the matrix where all the elements are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a 2 into 3 order matrix which all elements are 0. Similarly, here also another matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 2 into 2 order matrix which is all elements are 0. This is 0 only, 1 into 1 element model. This is also matrix where all the elements are 0. Then that matrix is called as a null matrix. It may be a square matrix, maybe a rectangle matrix, maybe any other, but all the elements are 0. Then it is any form. It may square or rectangle. All the elements are 0. Then it is a null matrix. Hope I am clear to everybody. That's all. Let's proceed towards the operation of a matrix, or we can in operation we will discuss addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Addition, for first condition for the continuing the addition, operation of addition is that two matrices must have a same order. A single word I can say that that two matrices must be equivalent matrices. We discussed if they are same order, then they are equal matrices, so that two must be equivalent matrices or of same order, because you have to add the corresponding elements. If they are order is not same, then it is not possible. Let us example 2, 7, 6, 9. 2, 7, 6, 9 plus another matrix 2, minus 2, 4, 3, 1 by 2. This is the 2 matrix. Its also order is 2 into 3, 2 into 2. Its order is also 2 into 2. These are 2 matrices. Then only if order is same, then only you can operate either it is a subtraction or addition or a subtraction, doesn't matter, but its matrix order must be same. I hope I am clear to everybody. That is how to operate it. You have to, this as it is addition, sub-addition, so you have to add the corresponding elements. How? Here I am writing. So first matrix has first 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 4, first row elements. So I will write this 2, I will add with first corresponding element minus 2. Here I am writing 2 plus minus 2. Next, here 7, here 4. 7 plus 4. Next, come to this part. Here 6, here 3 corresponding elements. 6 plus 3. Next one is 9. In first matrix it is 9, second matrix it is half. 9 plus half. So the result will be, this is the format to write, result will be 2 minus 2, 0, 7 plus 4, 11, 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 plus half, that is 19 and half, or 9, 1 by 2 also you can write, that is and I will tell you the resultant matrix also have the same order whatever in the first matrix. The condition is that they must have the same two matrices. You are going to operate as addition, you are continuing the addition, must have the same order, and the result will also have the same order. This is the addition of a matrix. We will discuss all the addition, subtraction and multiplication, then we will go for the properties of these matrices, addition properties, multiplication properties also. Okay, let us discuss first addition, subtraction, then we will go to properties. So subtraction same way. Suppose another example of addition I will give, then I will go for the subtraction. So the condition, most important condition for the addition is that they must have a same order. Please don't forget this. If order is not same, then you cannot operate, because corresponding elements will not find. So I'll give you an example, just small example I'll give you. 2 3 7 9. Here just suppose this is the matrix 1 6 is there. How to add? First one first over, second one second over. This for this column there is no elements in the corresponding next set for operate addition. That's why it is not possible. That's why they must have a same order. I mean to say they are equivalent matrix. Let us take another example of 2 into 3. 2 minus 1 0, 6 3 9. Next and plus you have to do 8 minus 5 4 minus 2 minus 5 0. Now edit simple way, very simple. 2 8, 2 plus 8, minus 1 minus plus minus 5. Here 0, sorry 6, this is not 0, 6 plus 4, this is 6 plus, here is minus 2, here 3 plus minus 5, here 9 plus 0. This is all about the operation. Just carry on. And this is all are 2 into 3 order. This is also 2 into 3 order. This resultant also 2 into 3 order. So output will be 2 plus 8 10, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6, 6 plus 4 10 once again, 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 5 minus 2, and 9 plus 0 9. This is the answer whose order is 2 into 3. This is all about addition of matrices. So now go to the subtraction of matrices, because both are very similar. That's why I am explaining. Then we will go for the properties of addition. Subtraction of matrices is quite similar to the process of addition. Here also you are going to subtract the corresponding elements of two equivalent matrices. Once again I repeat, the two matrices to operate as subtraction or to perform the subtraction, to both the matrices must have a same order. They both must be equivalent matrices. So let us discuss with an example. Suppose 2 3 7 0 minus 9 5. This is a matrix. Another matrix minus, this is subtraction. Another matrix 4 minus 5 3 minus 7 0, or take it 8 and minus 10, let me say. This is all about the two matrices. We wrote as which one you have to subtract. Here also the order is 2 into 3. Here also the order is 2 into 3. Both orders must be same. Now you have to subtract the corresponding elements. Now equal to what? How to write this one? As it is minus 2 minus 4. Then 3 minus 5. This will become 7 minus 3. Next here 0 minus 7. This one minus 9 minus 8. This one 5 minus 10. Let us do it. So these are the examples. 2 minus 4, 3 minus 5, 7 minus 3, 0 minus 3 minus 7, sorry, minus 7 it is, and 9 minus 9 minus 8 minus 5 minus 10. Let us do the operation. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Next 3 minus 5, write it on 3 plus 5, that is. Then 7 minus 3, that is 4. Directly you can write this one. Here 0 minus 7 it is, so that will be plus 7. Next minus 9 minus 8 minus 17, and 5 minus 10, 5 plus 10. So this is all of the matrix result. Let us this is also 2 into 3. Final result will become like this. This is the output will be like this finally. Answer is -2, 8, 4, 7, -17, 15. So this is the final output. I can come from the first again. This is the first matrix and this is the second matrix. We operated, we are subtraction we did, and we reached the stepwise process. This is the stepwise process. I wrote like this, and then finally we reached to the destination. This is the 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 4, then again plus 7, -17, 6 plus 10, and lastly finally we got a 2 minus 2 as usual, 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 as usual, 7, -17, and 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. This is the answer. You can see both this matrix and the matrix we have taken have 2 into 3 order, and now the result also have a 2 into 3 order. This way you can operate the matrices. In the next session we will discuss about the properties of addition as well as subtractions. Thank you.